If you want to know why your new home will require $50,000 in repairs within 10 years, do not ask the real estate agent. Ask a home inspector who examines new construction daily and documents systemic failures. Ask a contractor who specializes in fixing builder mistakes and understands the pattern. Ask someone who purchased a new home and discovered the construction quality is deliberately inferior. These professionals understand something that home builders desperately hide. Modern new construction homes are engineered disasters. Not because builders lack competence, because profit maximization demands cutting every possible corner. Today, I am revealing why 90% of new homes are garbage, and why builder grade is a euphemism for deliberately cheap construction. Before we continue, hit that like button and subscribe to this channel. We expose construction industry, deception, and celebrate quality home building every single week. If you care about purchasing a home built to last generations instead of requiring constant repairs, subscribing ensures you never miss this content. Now let us reveal the builder-grade lie destroying new home construction, the new construction collapse. 20 years ago, home builders competed on quality and durability. Iome, built in 2000 using 2x10 floor joists and solid wood framing, was standard. Today, builders use 2x8 joists on 24-inch centers to save lumber costs. They use engineered lumber that degrades faster than solid wood. They substitute quality materials for cheap alternatives at every stage. The result is homes designed to fail within 15 years, forcing expensive repairs and remakes. Builders discovered that purchasers do not understand home construction quality until years after purchase. By then, the builder has moved on. The warranty has expired. The purchaser faces $30,000 to $50,000 in repairs. The builder profits from cost-cutting far exceeding warranty obligations. So builders optimized for maximum cost reduction, not durability. The particle board foundation scam. Modern home construction uses particle board and engineered lumber instead of solid wood. Particle board is sawdust and glue compressed under pressure. It degrades rapidly when exposed to moisture. It warps and swells. It fails structurally within 15 years. Solid wood framing lasts 200 years, but solid wood costs significantly more. So builders switch to particle board knowing it will fail during the warranty period or shortly after. Floor systems use engineered joists instead of solid wood. These joists contain glued components that separate under stress. The glue fails. The joists crack. The floor becomes uneven. Repairs require replacing entire floor systems. The homeowner pays $20,000 to $40,000 for repairs. The builder pockets $5,000 in material savings. This is the mathematics driving builder decisions. The cheap electrical system nightmare. Modern homes use minimum gauge electrical wiring to save copper costs. The wiring is undersized for actual loads. The circuit breakers are cheap import models prone to failure. The outlets use minimum-duty components degrading rapidly. An electrician inspecting new home electrical systems documents systematic violations of building codes, yet builders continue because inspectors are overworked and corrupt. They pass inadequate systems. A home electrical system should last 70 years. New construction electrical systems fail within 15 years. Outlets become unresponsive. Circuits trip unexpectedly. Fires result from inadequate wiring. The homeowner faces $5,000 to $15,000 in electrical repairs. The builder saved $2,000 using cheap materials. The plumbing system disaster. Modern homes use PEX plastic plumbing instead of copper pipes. PEX degrades under UV exposure and certain chemicals. The material becomes brittle and cracks. Leaks develop within 10 years. Water damage requires drywall replacement, mold remediation, and complete pipe replacement. The homeowner faces $8,000 to $15,000 in repairs. The builder saved $1,500 using cheap plastic instead of durable copper. Copper pipes last 100 years minimum. PEX lasts 10 to 15 years before degradation begins. Builders made this material choice deliberately. They know PEX will fail. They do not care because they will not own the home. The HVAC system compromise. Modern homes use undersized HVAC systems to reduce equipment costs. The system capacity is inadequate for the home size. The system runs constantly. The components degrade faster. The compressor fails within 10 years instead of 15. The ductwork is poorly sealed, allowing significant air loss. The insulation is minimal, creating temperature inconsistencies. An HVAC system should last 20 years. New construction systems fail within 10 years due to undersizing and poor design. Replacement costs $8,000 to $12,000. The builders save $2,000 using undersized equipment. The foundation shortcut. Modern builders use minimal foundation preparation. They skip proper soil compaction. They use thin concrete slabs instead of engineered foundations. They ignore drainage requirements. Within 10 years, the foundation settles unevenly. Cracks develop. Doors stick. Windows become difficult to open. The foundation requires underpinning or replacement. The homeowner faces $15,000 to $40,000 in repairs. A properly built foundation lasts the building's entire life. A builder-grade foundation fails within 10 years. This is deliberate. Builders know the failure timeline. They calculate the profit from cost-cutting exceeds warranty obligation. The drywall and paint disaster. Modern homes use cheap drywall with thin coating. The drywall is moisture-sensitive and molds rapidly. The paint is latex with poor adhesion. It peels and cracks within 5 years. Interior walls require repainting and drywall replacement. The homeowner faces $3,000 to $8,000 in repairs. The builder saved $500 using cheap materials. Quality drywall and paint last 20 years. Builder-grade materials fail within 5 years. This is intentional. Builders prioritize short-term profit over long-term quality. The roof shortcut. Modern roofing uses cheap asphalt shingles with minimal thickness. The shingles deteriorate rapidly. They lose protective granules. They crack and curl. By year 15, the roof requires replacement. The homeowner faces $8,000 to $15,000 for new roofing. The builder saved $1,500 using cheap shingles. Quality roofing lasts 50 years. Builder-grade roofing fails within 15 years. Builders know this. They do not care. The warranty expires before failure occurs. The insulation inadequacy. Modern homes use minimal insulation to reduce material costs. The walls have inadequate arch. The attic has insufficient depth. The result is poor temperature control and high energy costs. The homeowner pays thousands more annually for heating and cooling. Over 30 years, this costs $30,000 to $50,000 in extra energy expense. The builder saved $2,000 using inadequate insulation. What home inspectors recommend. Home inspectors refuse to purchase new construction homes for themselves. They purchase established homes from 15 to 20 years ago that have proven durability. They know new construction homes fail systematically. They avoid the replacement cycle by choosing proven structures. This is the most reliable indicator that new construction quality is deliberately compromised. De Exxon Este. If you need a home, purchase an established home from 1990 to 2005. These homes used solid wood framing, copper plumbing, and quality materials. The systems have proven durability. The construction quality is documented. You avoid the systematic failures that new homes guarantee. Do not purchase new construction homes. Do not participate in the planned failure cycle by proven, durable. If you made it this far, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell. I expose construction industry deception every single week. Share this video with anyone considering home purchase. Let us build a community, rejecting builder-grade construction and demanding quality.